All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is August 12, 2024. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB Trading Room. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's take a look at some charts. Start off with SPY. On the 10-minute chart, we got ourselves a last-minute 10-minute uptrend. Last minute, I mean probably last second. Like, there it is. Last 2-minute candle. Just barely making it right there. So SPY last minute, 2-minute uptrend right there. So there's SPY. Let's take a look at, what do we want to look at? 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart is still in an uptrend. On the daily chart, okay, see the 2-hour chart, yellow line up over the white 8 EMA, so still bullish. Still bullish there on the SPY 2-hour chart. Daily chart, still in a downtrend as long as we're underneath this right here. Until they break that high, we're in a downtrend. Today's price action, higher low, higher high, closing over a bearish trap, but underneath the 17 EMA. Okay. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. QQQ. Same deal. All right. Higher low, higher high, closing over a bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. FNGU. Same deal. Higher low, higher high, closing over a bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. IWM. IWM makes a lower high and a lower low, closing under a bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. So IWM, all of them, all of the Fab Five still in downtrends. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow putting in, here's the high, 396.04, 396.49, lower high, higher low, so an inside day for Diamond Dow, lower high, higher low, closing inside the bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. There's Diamond Dow, inside day, still in a downtrend. All right, let's take a look at our technicals. T2122. We were tossed out of the chop zone here, the seller's chop zone, and we spent the whole day camped out inside the sell zone down here, making lower highs and equal lows, and a lower high and a little bit lower low, and just camped out down here in the sell zone all day long. T2123 looks like red from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. 3-bar chart, it's going to look the same way. It's going to add 3 more red candle bars to the downside, slowly melting into this flat 200 SMA on the 3-bar chart. FNGU doing nice work, climbing on top of this falling 200 SMA on the 15-minute chart. Again, green, red, just kind of consolidating right on top of that, which is a really good bullish sign. That's FNGU. All right, let's go back and take a look at a few sectors. Start off with UNG. UNG making a higher low, higher high, closing over a bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Takes out this high. It ends the downtrend. Still in a downtrend right now. USO now in an uptrend, taking out the high right here. Okay, so USO in an uptrend, UNG still downtrend. USO higher low, higher high, closing over a bullish trap over the 17 EMA. USO recovering nicely now in an uptrend. UNG still downtrend. Silver and gold. Silver makes a higher low and a higher high, closing over a bearish trap or a bullish cross, but underneath the 17 EMA. I see silver pulling back to this 26, 14, 15 area right there. That wedge, that valley from this move down and this move up. So we'll see where that goes. Got some silver calls. All right, so there's silver still in a downtrend till it takes out that high. That's silver. Gold still in an uptrend, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. Gold still in an uptrend. SMH still in a downtrend till it takes out this high right here. SMH, higher low, higher high, closing between bullish cross underneath the falling 17 EMA. XLK, it's technology sector in a downtrend till we take out this high right here, this red candle. Right now, price action, higher low, higher high, closing over a bullish cross, but underneath the falling 17 EMA, trying to fight off the downtrend. XLF in a downtrend until we fight off this high up there, way up there. A lot of work, technically damaged here. Okay, so XLF, it's got a higher low, higher high, closing over a bearish trap, under the 17 EMA, still in a downtrend. XLF. XRT, this is real estate, not real estate, retail. Retail puts in lower high, lower low, closing under the bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. Retail still in a downtrend. Let's take a look at IYT, transports. Transports are going to be in a downtrend till they take out this high right there. Price action, lower high, lower low, closing under a bearish trap, under the falling 17 EMA. IYT still in a downtrend. US dollar index, all right, kind of moved a little bit to the southern direction there, okay? 101.13. That's it. Still bear flagging underneath. It's kind of like a bull flag inside of a bear flag. Not really liking it. Would have preferred for it to flatten out and trade to the right this way. It's slowly creeping up, which I'm not in favor of. Big news. What is it? CPI coming out Wednesday morning at 8:30. So the market's got probably 24 hours to decide where they're going to pin it before the market opens on Wednesday with CPI coming out. So we'll see what happens with that. Okay, so that's basically it. I like silver today. All right, EXEL still consolidating, looking like a 1, 2, 3 up there. Waiting for the next move on that. UPC, I sold off on the highs on that. AMC is picked up some more AMC here. I think it's looking like a flag, nice flag there. I'm looking for this to pop higher, back into those highs. We'll see what we do. We got up over my cost basis earlier today, and I bought some more, and then it just kind of fluttered down. That's it for markets today. All right, that's it for me today, traders. Really, 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 really rough day on SPY. If you look at it on the 5-minute, you're up over VWAP, you're under VWAP, you're over VWAP, you're under VWAP, you're over VWAP, you're under VWAP, you're over VWAP, you're under VWAP, and then at the close, if that's not bad enough, we're back up over VWAP up there, okay? So just a horrible, choppy day. It's an option killer, nothing but decay, decay, decay. Setting up a descending wick program, and I'm looking at a possible head and shoulders. But we still got to break the neckline. That's all I'm seeing right now. So we could see a possible visit back to this uptrend line, which is probably close to 529. All right, so we'll see if they're going to disrespect that and head lower and challenge some of these breakup candle lows, or if this trend line is going to hold on the on the second touch of that right there. So looking like it's coming down there sometime tonight or tomorrow. We'll see what happens. But all in all, we got bullish consolidation up here. They hung in there tight. Bulls just kept buying it up. Every time it came down, bulls bought it up. Came down to here, 531, bulls bought it up. Bulls bought it up. I think they already know CPI is going to be nice. They're expecting a rate cut. That's what I think. I think this thing goes higher, all right, coming into CPI, which is going to be Tuesday close, and CPI opens up on Wednesday. So we'll see what happens with that, all right? So that's it for me today, traders. Really rough day. Wish we could have done better. Didn't have anything. No trend, no pattern, nothing. Just a trash day. Bringing out the holy grail of trading, yeah. All right, thanks, Robert. Thanks, Alan. Thanks, Cal. Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it. Everybody have a wonderful afternoon. We'll see y'all tomorrow at 8 o'clock. See if they can finally get this thing moving in the right direction, which was up. Nothing but look like a melting situation here with no follow-through. Big red candle down, no follow-through. Big red move down, no follow-through. Another one, no follow-through. It just could not get any downward movement going. We stayed up over the pivot the whole day. It was bullish. Playing bullish right off of this 531.90 would have worked out great, but who would have known? All right? Down, up, down, up, down, up. Every time it got down here, bulls bought it up. All right? So see you guys tomorrow. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Thank you.